well, hello, lovely peoplos. Oh dear. Alright, everything is in here, ready to go. There's no mucking about with these videos anymore, that's it. It's done mucking around. No, just because do you really want to stand there and watch nothing happen while I go over there and put the lye in? No, you don't. And the goat's milk and all the other stuffs. No, you don't. Alright, lemon agave. It's alright. This one's from Aussie Candle Supplies, so my notes say no vanillin. That's it, that's all I know. So yeah, we're going to use another shaper. Look at the colour of this thing. Look at it. Look at how lovely and bright this is. I like this yellow. The yellow and the pink are my two favourite colours in the shapers. So, although the blue's cool because it's like TARDIS blue. So, and you know, TARDIS blue, TARDIS. Alright, let's give this a whiz. Alright, so the plan is to make a angled soap, obviously, because I'm using the angle shaper. This is the organic angle shaper, and I want to do one that way and then one that way, I think, so that my angles are like that. Look, like that. So that's the plan. I don't know how this fragrance is going to behave, so I'm also putting things in it. So then I'm going to do a green layer, a yellow layer and a white layer. I'm going to put pumice in the green layer, poppy seeds in the yellow layer, and ground oatmeal in the oat bran in the white layer. So it'll be an exfoliating bar. Alright, so now I'm pretty sure that all that doesn't fit in them three. But I also can't remember, so, and they're also the only jars I have left. So everything needs washing up. Absolutely everything. 4, 8, 12. Actually, you know, it probably will. There you go, it will too. Go up to 450. And that's fairly even. Yeah, it's kind of wonderful having jugs that have writing on the sides of them. Unfortunately, it doesn't last. I've noticed some of the jugs are losing it. It's kind of like me, probably. We'll put that in that one for now. And we'll give this a bit of a scrape. Oh, and in English, not even in German today. Well, there you go. Because usually we scrape the bowl. But we did not, we just scraped it today. I don't know why I do the things I do. I'm as intrigued as you guys at the things that come out of my mouth, because I have no control over them. They just happen. No filter. None whatsoever. If my brain says it, it comes out my mouth. Which sometimes is okay, most of the time it's not. Most of the time it freaks people out, the things that I say. So, yeah, there's that. Now, the first layer is the green layer. So, charming. We'll have to do the green layer first. Actually, you know what? I can do this. I can do this. I know how to soap. Shut up. I heard you. Cheeking me. I heard you. Don't think I didn't. Saying I didn't know how to make soap. You're wrong. I know how to make soap. I think I know how to make soap. Possibly I know how to make soap, but I might not. I don't know what I've been doing on this channel for this many years now, and if I don't know how to make... Well, that's a pretty colour. You know what? I'm just going to mix all three of them. And then, you know, because, you know, that's not a recipe for disaster or anything. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. I've just put in an order. Oh, that's a little green. We might have to give that a bit of a scrape. We don't need green yellow. What do green and yellow make? Brown. Yep. A yellow or green. Oh, whatever. Whatever. There's not that much on that. What could possibly go wrong? Now, I'm going to put this in the water. That means that I'm being positive in my thinking about how the fragrance is going to behave. So, let's do this one first. Now, get this ready, just in case it decides it's going to have a fit. Now, I mean, it's not awful, don't get me wrong. I don't hate this fragrance. I'm not overly enthused with it. It's like, it's alright, you know. Well, there's only bubbles in there. It's not ricing. I thought there was a bit of rice in there for a minute. Okay, well, there you go. Bugger me. No, don't. I have to stop saying that. Or I can just say it and then don't say the rest of what I say. Whoa. Yeah. I love pumice very much. My volcano sand. I am a big fan of pumice because it's one of those things that needs to be stick blended. But that's okay because it needs to be a bit thicker anyway. It's it's an exfoliant that isn't like super scratchy, which I really like because I don't really particularly like exfoliants. Alright. Hey, listen to that. Well, that's good. We only had to use it for good reasons, not for bad. I'm just going to tip this on her. Just like that. Actually, it's not bad. It actually smells like something else I've used before. It's got kind of an effervescence to it, which I like. It's not particularly lemony though, I wouldn't say. It's just, yeah, it's really different. I kind of like it. It's also very liquid and it's not going to work. Oh no, this is one of the ones that are too fat. Shit. I did that. Shit. When I made these, when I was first making them, I thought I could make them at 7.5, and you can't because they don't fit. So, righty-ho then. Well, let's scratch that. Let's just put that away. Let's put some poppy seeds in here, shall we? And some fragrance. And we're going to need this because otherwise poppy seeds will go lumpty lumps. And we don't want lumpty lumps in this one. So it's just going to be just a soap, not a shaper soap. It's fine. That's still fairly liquid. So I'm going to drop swirl this in here. Just like that. And then I'm going to drop the white into the top of that. Whatever. It's all good. Oh, I'm not even worried. Wow. Not even stressed. There's something wrong with me. I I just made a soap that didn't do what I wanted with the soap, with the shaper that's not even right, and I'm not upset. Go me! Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it, so it's obviously just one of the ones I hadn't put aside, because I did print out a couple of different ones before I realised that they were too big, so it's all good. Yeah, it's all good. That one will just have to be put aside now. I don't know why I'm putting them aside. They're not much good for anything. Well, I suppose they're good for people whose moulds are bigger than these ones. But that wasn't the plan. That was not the plan. Oh, look at that. How lovely and powdery is that? There you go. How messy are you? You're still a little bit messy. Clean you up a smidgen. Fabulous. Oh, there you go. Titanium. Always thickens, isn't it? Even that small amount. It's funny, isn't it? It wasn't the fragrance because there was no fragrance in there. It's all good. It's all good. There's just a lot of soap up in there. All up in its business. Right, let's give this a mixy mix. See if we can't get that well incorporated. Just like that. Oh, we made a bit of a mess. What a surprise. Certainly not as messy as the last soap though, that's for sure. Alright. Oh, that looks like, it just looks edible, doesn't it? Look at that, it's just like, oh, very tasty. Alright, I'm going to go right up high so I can try and get that in there, but I don't think it's going to happen, so it might have gone in there a little bit. You never know. You never know. That is yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That looks like a friggin' dessert. Really does look edible. So, well, it should be interesting to see how this one turns out, because the yellow definitely went down into the green, so. And what are we going to do on the top of this one? Because I've not saved any colours or anything, and I don't feel like this one needs glitter, because it's not a glittery kind of soap. Like, it smells like a glittery soap, because it's got that effervescence to it. I just don't think it looks like a glittery soap, so. Oh, and hello to all the new subscribers. That I have got like, I don't know, 20 subscribers in the last week or so. This of course is filmed 4 weeks ago from when you're watching it, at least. I'm actually getting ahead with my videos again, which is good. How much other stuff I'm doing. I'm updating the website and making lots of other products, and yes, I'm being very good. I'm trying very hard to stay motivated and not slip back into depression again. I mean, it's always, and that's the bad thing about bipolar, is it's always hovering. It's always hovering there in the background. But then again, so is the mania too. I've got to be careful that I don't go overboard and do too much. Oh, I didn't take a freaking photo of the soap. Shit. Shit. Instagram needs some photos. Well, there's really nothing interesting we can do to this, so we're just going to do a regular top. Just a regular textured top. Yeah, you know, either end of the spectrum is always there waiting for you with bipolar, so you've got to be really careful not to overdo it, or the mania just goes, hello, it's nice to see you, let's go crazy and don't need sleep, and we can do this and we can do that, and we can do something, and then you're off and you think you're invincible and a god and you can do anything, and then it all comes tumbling down and you slip back into the depression, and it's a vicious circle, mate, I tell you. Alright, that looks lovely. Let me see if I can get this stupid thing to focus. Focus. Focus, you bitch. There you go. This looks edible, doesn't it? It really does. I need to move that microphone because it's just in the way. Because it's right there. I'm touching the microphone. Alright, my lovely people, I will see you for the cutting. Ta-da! Hello. Look at my lovely colours. Look at my lovely colours. Oh, I'm very happy about this. That's that elusive and whatever I mixed it with, but it came out really nice. So, alright, let's get it cut. It smells nice. I was thinking before when I was smelling it, it kind of reminds me of an alcohol. So, I don't know what though. Ooh, too much. Ugh. Oh, okay. Well, that's a little different. There we go. Yeah, I didn't think that white would go down too far, but that's cool. Oh, wow. Okay, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Look at the pale blue edge. That's either gel or reacting to the air, maybe. Don't think it's gel. Well, it'll be interesting to see because that's what the outside colour is, and that's what the inside colour is. So it'll be interesting to see if it goes all the outside colour or all the inside colour. So, oh, I like that piece. That piece is nice. All the different exfoliating things happening. Well, they can't really see pumice though, so. And even this up with the stick blender, there's still a few bigger chunks of the poppy seed in there. It's quite nice. I like it. The smell, I sort of, it's such an odd smell. I kind of like it and I kind of don't. I'm a little undecided. Like I'll get a whiff of it and I'll go, yeah, I like that. And then I'll get another whiff of it and go, I don't know. So, yeah, it's one of those smells really. I will use it again. It's behaved beautifully. There's no fragrance leakage at all. It's come up nice and hard. It's definitely good. It's definitely a good fragrance to use. So let's come down closer to you guys, eh? I forget that you're there now and not above me anymore. Alright. Well, that's not very exciting. Or focused. I don't think you stupid camera. Why are you not focused? Ah, there we go. And just get that out of the way. And that one, which is probably the most interesting of all the pieces. And that's it. She's all done. Alright, my friends, I shall see you for the next soap.